Good morning, dear students. Let's initiate topic maxima and minima. Students, this is really very important topic and this is of 6 marks in CBSE board exams. So students, let's start. Here I am sharing you an image of maxima and minima, and by watching this one you can observe that what do you mean by maxima and minima. Suppose students, if we have a function, we are discussing about a function and the value of the function is maximum and the value of function is minimum at what point. So students, for finding those points at which the function is maximum or minimum, so students, for to determine the same things, we start this topic, this chapter. Here I am sharing you the working rule. You can see here, first one is the fx is given, function is given in this statement. You need to find its derivative, this is the second point, and after that make its factor. Students, suppose if you forget to make the factors, then it becomes very complicated to solve. So students, remember one thing, that always makes factors after doing derivative. Now students, for maxima and minima, you have to put dy over dx is equals to 0. We can also write as f dash x is equals to 0. Now for the same, we get here values of x, and these values of x are called the critical points. Now find the second order derivative, and you have already studied in the higher order derivative how to get the second order derivative. Then put the critical point in it. Critical point are what? That we have already find the values of x. But students, suppose if here we have a quadratic equation, then we get the two critical points. So students, we need to put the point one by one. So seventh is, if it gives a negative result, then given function is maximum. Students, you commit to these results that if that function second order derivative, and after that we put the point in second order derivative, if it gives negative answer, then the given function is maximum. Suppose students, it gives the positive result, then given function is minimum. And last one is the, if it gives a 0, then further investigation is required. So students, let's start the solution. Today we start with question number 6 because this is related to the topic from this. So let's start. Find the maximum profit that a company can make if the profit function is given by px is equals to 41 minus 72x minus 18x squared. Students, here in this question, profit is given, profit function is given, and we need to find ki at what point the profit is maximum. The profit function is given by this one. Now students, go with working rule. First we need to find the derivative. 41, derivative of 41 is 0 because it is constant, and derivative of minus 72x is minus 72. Similarly, derivative of x square is 2x. In this way we get minus 36x. Now students, with the third step, we need to make its factors. You can see that this equation is already linear equation, so there is no need to make factors. After that, for maxima or minima, put p dash x is equals to 0. For the same, if we put this is equals to 0, then we get x is equals to minus 2. Now students, we need to find the second order derivative. So we do derivative of p dash x. In this way you can see that double derivative of p dash x is minus 36. Now students, if we put this critical point x is equals to minus 2 in p double dash x, you can see that here is no x. So students, from where we put x is equals to minus 2, in this way we get the negative result. And students, as I am sharing you the working rule, if second order derivative at critical point gives the negative result, then the given function is maximum. So students, in this way you can see that since p double dash x is less than 0, x is equals to minus 2 is the maxima. Now students, we need to find the maximum value. For that, put x is equals to minus 2 in the given function in this statement. And here in this statement, function is px is equals to 41 minus 72x minus 18x squared. So put x is equals to minus 2 in this function. In this way, by calculating this is very easy calculation. You can do your own. and here you will get answer 113. Hence the maximum profit is 113 units. Now students, here we have question number 7. Find both the maximum value and the minimum value of the function on the interval 0 to 3. Student, this is change question. This is different from the previous one, because in the previous question range interval is not mentioned. Here interval is given. So students, and also here we need to find the maximum as well as minimum value of the given function. So let's start. Let here fx is equals to this function given where x belongs to 0, 3 closed interval. For finding the derivative, you will write derivative of x4 is 4x cube, derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of x is 1, and derivative of 25, which is constant, so its derivative is 0. In this way you will get f dash x is equals to 12 x cube minus 2x square plus 2x minus 4. Now students, make its factors. So you can see here, by using the synthetic division. Synthetic division we have already discussed about the synthetic division. So students, by using the synthetic division, make its factors, and you will get the factors x square plus 2 and x minus 2 is equals to 0. If we solve x square plus 2, then we get x square is equals to minus 2, and which is not possible because it doesn't give the real values. As you can see that under root minus 1 is equals to iota, gives the imaginary values. So students, in this way we get only 1 point. X is equals to 2 is the critical point. Now students, we need to find the maximum and minimum value belong to this interval. So students, इसके लिए working rule जो है वो थोड़ा change रहने वाला है because interval is given. So now you can see that in the interval 0 to 3 we have values 0, 3 and critical point हमने क्या find किया था 2. So students, we need to put these 0 to 3 points in the given function. And students, suppose at 0 we get 25, at 2 we get minus 39, at 3 we get answer 16. But we need to find the maximum value. You can observe here that what is the maximum answer? Maximum answer is 25. And what is the minimum answer? Minimum answer is minus 39. So students, if interval is given, then you just put the values of critical point and the value of बाउंड्री पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरवल. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ बाउंड्री पॉइंट्स क्या है इंटरवल के 0 है और 3 है, और क्रिटिकल पॉइंट हमने क्या फाइंड किया था? क्रिटिकल पॉइंट सिर्फ 2 ही आया था. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमें इन सभी पॉइंट्स को पुट करना है गिवन फंक्शन में जो कि हमें स्टेटमेंट में गिवन है. आप यहाँ 0 पुट करेंगे. बाय पुटिंग दिस 0 we get here f of 0 is equals to 25. Now students, if we put x is equals to 2, by calculating this, calculation is very simple, then you will get minus 39. Similarly, by putting 3 we get answer 16. Now students, we need to find the maximum and minimum value. Hence minimum value of fx is minus 39 at x is equals to 2, and maximum value is fx is equals to 25 at x is equals to 0. Hopefully all of you are getting this concept, new chapter, and do more practice. So thank you for watching the complete video.